Welcome to our Go Realty, Go Properties how-to channel for vacation rentals. This video doesn't have any pre-staged delays, therefore please use the pause or back options to move this tutorial at your own pace. The scope of this video is intended as a quick tutorial for vacation rentals and simply focuses on how to use French doors with built-in mini blinds. We're going to cover how to unlock and open, close and lock, and the operation of the mini blinds. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't already, let's open the primary door, which is the door that can be opened like a normal door. On these French doors, the only lock on the primary door is the deadbolt lock. Turn this counterclockwise. You can see the bolt retract from the secondary door. Open the door. When it comes to opening the secondary door, this requires that the bolts at both the top and the bottom of the door are retracted from the door frame. Slide the top bolt downward, followed by sliding the bottom bolt upward. Note, due to humidity, sometimes these are a tight fit and might require a little motion of the door to release. At this point, with the bolts retracted, you should be able to open the secondary door. However, some locations might have internal furniture that you'll need to reposition. When it comes to closing the secondary door, we simply reverse the previous steps. Close the secondary door. Keep in mind that this requires that the bolts at both the top and the bottom of the door align with the door frame holes. Slide the top bolt upward, followed by sliding the bottom bolt downward. With the bolts engaged, the secondary door should be secure. Note, again, sometimes these are a tight fit and might require a little motion of the door to engage. At this point, the primary door can be closed and secured like a normal door. If leaving or checking out, please secure the primary door's deadbolt lock. To operate the internal mini blinds, locate the multifunction slider. The slider can be used to raise, lower, or tilt the blinds as demonstrated. Note, during some functions, the slider may appear to disengage the internal track. Please do not rapidly manipulate the blinds. Simply repositioning the slider up or down the track will re-engage the internal controls. This concludes our quick view of how to operate French doors. If you need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to the local host listed on your reservation. Hopefully this tutorial helps you get situated for your time with us. Thanks for watching and enjoy your stay.